Timeless wisdom from African Proverbs. Wisdom does not come overnight. The child who is not embraced by the village will burn it down to feel its warmth. Rain does not fall on one roof alone. A bird will always use another bird's feathers to feather its own nest. Even the best cooking pot will not produce food. He who learns, teaches. A family tie is like a tree. It can bend, but will not break. When there is no enemy within, the enemies outside cannot hurt you. A river does not flow backward. A person who sells eggs should not start a fight in the market. Even the smallest of snakes has a head. One does not become great by claiming greatness. You learn how to cut down trees by cutting them down. Even a madman has his moments of clear thought. When the shepherd comes home in peace, the milk is sweet. However far a stream flows, it never forgets its source. A good deed is something one returns. If you heal the leg of a person, do not be surprised if they use it to run away. One who causes others misfortune also teaches them wisdom. If you want to go quickly, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Money cannot talk, yet it can make lies look true. The mouth does not forget what it tasted. An egg does not fight a rock. A boat cannot go forward if each rows his own way. Wisdom is like fire. People take it from others. Not everyone who chases the zebra catches it. If you close your eyes to facts, you will learn through accidents. Do not look where you fell, but where you slipped. Knowledge without wisdom is like water in the sand. He who thinks he is leading and has no one following him is only taking a walk. Even the lion, the king of the forest, protects himself against flies. A man who uses force is afraid of reasoning. Where water is the boss, the land must obey. If you like the video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Masala.